Hello everybody, it's me again, Alex, just without the bar this time, but it's me, still me. Today in Rotterdam, in this amazing area, you can see above me cube houses. Kai Cube. We are in the old haven in Rotterdam city. Today I had six nice guys from Mexico. Buenos días, señores. Señora. And the standard question is what they found the most interesting in this city today, and any recommendation for the next time, what they can improve in my services, and classic question, standard question. So, guys, here you are. You can speak Spanish as well if you want, if you prefer. So, who's the main leader of the group?
It was a great experience. We went to the cube houses and we walked around the city. Alex was very punctual and professional. Very good.
Thank you very much. It's me about Alex. Anybody wants to say something else? Maybe in Spanish?
Me too, Mario. Similar.
Okay, everybody agree with the same. Okay, guys, I would like to thank you. Muchas gracias for everything today. I wish you a very nice trip further to Belgium, to Antwerp, and the rest of your stay in the Europe as well. And finally, I wish you a nice trip back to Guadalajara. You know, it's the same play with Speedy Gonzalez with, you know, in Guadalajara. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Next time, bye bye.